Programming these for the main controller is exactly the same as any other irrigation system. It has the ability to set different times for each station, and I set it up to water what will be needed at the most demanding condition, which is July. This controller also has a seasonal adjustment, or sometimes called a water budget feature, that will allow me to manually change by a percentage how much water is put out in spring and fall as opposed to July. But what happens is the second module connected to the weather station on the roof does that for me. It changes that seasonal adjustment every day depending upon the weather conditions to provide approximately the right amount of water that the plants need. Programming the Smart Controller module is about as simple as changing your digital watch. Here's the time. I simply click and use plus and minus to update it to the current time. I take another click to select the type of controller that I have attached to it, and that's the standard is fine. An important option is I go to region, which is a climate region. There's 4, and actually the one for Okanagan in BC would be 2, one for the coast would be number 1. And finally, I have an option if the way this works isn't giving me the right amount of water or too much, I can change from a scale of 1 to 10, I can actually change by a factor how much water is given overall. But I'll leave it at the middle at 5 right now because that's the default, and give it a few days and see if it's giving me the right performance. I'll come back and adjust this if I need to. That's it. It's done.